Upbeat background music plays. Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Spring is finally here, and you know what that means. Festivals, flowers, and fun are in full bloom. Today I'm taking you on a whirlwind tour of the best events happening this spring, 2025. Let's dive in. Cut to scenic shots of cherry blossom festivals. First up, we've got cherry blossom festivals. These magical pink wonders are a must-see. Whether you're in Washington, D.C., Tokyo, or Vancouver, millions of visitors flock to these cities to celebrate the beauty of spring. Trust me, you don't want to miss this stunning spectacle. Show a map highlighting major locations for cherry blossoms. Next on the list is Coachella 2025. If you love music and arts, then California is calling your name. With major headliners and incredible art installations, Coachella is the place to be this spring. Footage of a lively music festival with crowds cheering. For adventure seekers, National Park Week offers you free access to some of America's most breathtaking landscapes. Think Grand Canyon, Yosemite, and Yellowstone. There's no better time to explore the great outdoors. Scene transition to an Easter parade. And who can forget the colorful Easter parades? Cities like New York are bursting with extravagant bonnets and joyful celebrations. It's a parade you've got to see to believe. Fast cuts of different events, Kentucky Derby, St. Patrick's Day, and Cinco de Mayo celebrations. There's just so much to enjoy this spring. Which event are you most excited for? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Prime Stream News channel on YouTube for more amazing event updates. Closing scene with upbeat music and event highlights. Alright, that's a wrap. Get ready to make unforgettable memories this spring 2025. See you at the festivals.